Hello everybody, and welcome to another drawing and talking video with me, FreebieWits, your host. And today we're taking a look at yet another roleplay repository character named Wilson. Now, before we continue, I'm just going to wish you all a very happy new year. You may have noticed that I didn't make a video last week, and that's because I was celebrating, well, the new year and such with my beautiful fiance. But enough about me, let's go on to Wilson, and I love that name just because I love shouting, Wilson! If you don't know which movie that's from, that's okay, it's from Castaway. So, who is Wilson? Well, from what I can tell, he's just a dude. There's not much to say about him. Now, this is going to be a bit weird, but what I have in his character sheet is his description and basic information. It does give a personality type, but it doesn't actually talk about him in any descriptive way in that regard. Now, I have no inkling on what these personality types means, but from what I've read just by a quick Google and a brief read of it, a INFP 2W1, which is how the author describes Wilson, they're basically good people. They're warm, they're generous, they like other people. They're people. They're a people person, people. You get what I mean. Besides that, they also like wearing scarves like I do. They also like wearing long clothes, warmer stuff that they probably shouldn't be wearing during even summertime. And I kinda identify with that. I mean, seriously, look at me. I wear a suit of armor in summer and run around with a scarf for goodness sakes. So this character sheet doesn't really tell me too much about Wilson besides he's a good guy and he likes to stay warm. Here's the thing though, there is some paranormal aspect to them. For example, their breath is always visible in the air as a thin mist, as if it was, cold, when it's not. Now here comes the most difficult part of this. I don't actually know what they like or what they hate or what they're good at. There's nothing here saying that they like movies. There's nothing saying that they're good at investigating stuff. Nothing along those lines. Which makes them perfect to be in just about any story. Whether they be the hapless civilian walking in on something, or the guy who starts out weak and then grows to be a real main character fighting force type. Now, would this character work in a tabletop RPG? And the answer is yes, in a modern day setting, they could just be pulled into the paranormal very easily, and they have to discover who they are and learn everything about the universe. Would they work as a LARP character? And I would say also the same thing, but it'd have to be in a very specific setting. A very easy to set up setting, mind you, since it's a modern day thing. He could be in a parlor LARP, for example, very easily. Once again, discovering things about himself and the previously unseen universe of magic. Honestly, not much else to say about Wilson. He seems pretty straightforward. I love his name because, once again, I love yelling it, Wilson! And all that stuff, but other than that, yeah, he's fine. Anyways, that's my drawing and talking video about Wilson. If you've liked this, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, all that stuff. And until next time, bye-bye.